The good thing about computer science is the plethora of job opportunities that come with a degree. The bad thing about computer science is the plethora of job opportunities that come with a degree. What is up guys, Forrest here, and today we're going to be talking about career paths for computer science students. As I finish up my senior year of my computer science degree, I've been applying to jobs, and luckily about a year or two ago, I really chose my emphasis within computer science because I remember 4 years ago or so entering into this industry that I had no idea about. Growing up, I worked on farms, hog farms, or doing landscaping, or just a bunch of blue collar work. So when it came to something like computer science, I had no idea how large the industry was in the sense of how many different opportunities that it would present you. I mean, coming into computer science, I knew I wanted to be able to develop applications for myself, for clients, or for whatever company hires me. But then as I learned a little bit more and more about computer science, I'm like, oh, do I want to be a hacker? Everyone wants to be a hacker, you know, whether you're just playing video games or whether you're doing something even crazier, it'll be cool to be able to hack. Or maybe software development really isn't your thing, but you want to be in, you want to get your computer science degree. If you want to take it to the next level, you can do research and computer theory. Or if you don't want to take it to the next level, you can do IT work, networks, and things of that nature. There are so many things that you can do with your computer science degree that in this video, I'm just going to kind of lay out the career paths for computer science and applying what emphasis within your degree program that you should choose. Now, keep in mind, it depends on what college you go to for what emphasis they offer. So for some, they actually offer a whole software development degree. For others, they offer a whole information technology degree, which my school offers an information technology degree, but of course I chose computer science. That interested me more. I'm not really into the whole going into IT department, messing with networking and things of that nature. It's not my thing. So in order for you to get the most out of it, think about what school you're going to or that you plan to attend. And by school, I mean university, college, whatever. Go to their website, find their computer science program, and look at what they offer within that. My school offers, web programming, cybersecurity, networking, and whatever else. I'm staying within like the web programming, game development type area of my computer science degree program. And of course, I must add, I do iOS development on my own. Because to be honest with you, most universities don't offer an iOS development emphasis or course at all. The closest I've gotten to it is developing for Android, which as you probably saw on my channel, I'm in that course right now. And before I really get into it, I just want you to know that I'm not going to go into full detail on every single career path that I mention, and I'm not going to mention every single last career path because like I said, there are a lot. I'm just trying to make this list for you to plant a seed in your head and give you a little bit of back information to see if that's for you, and then you can do more research on your own. And with that being said, let's get into number one, and that would be a Java or C++ developer, because most universities choose Java or C++. Some actually choose C or some other languages as the base language for their computer science program. Because keep in mind, when you go into a computer science degree, you probably have like 20 base computer science courses that you have to learn in order to satisfy the degree requirements. Many of those are computer theory, computer architecture, computer science math type courses, as well as programming. And universities will stick to one, maybe two languages so you can excel at that language and you can use your knowledge of learning that language and of that language, whether it has classes and you learn arrays and you learn strings, variables, constants, and just whatever else in order to actually teach you programming. So coming out of your computer science degree, you should be able to create one of these applications and you should be able to jump into a team of Java developers or C++ developers. And keep in mind, don't be scared. Employers understand that you are a new graduate, you're new to the workforce, and you have to have maybe a little bit longer of a period to adjust to that workforce. Google or Facebook or one of those companies may not be so lenient, but most companies will. So that's number one. That's the base out of the way. Number two, obviously this is going to be number two because it's my favorite, is mobile app development. Now, until this semester, my degree program didn't even offer mobile app development. They said they did, but over the past 2 years or 3 years even, they never offered this class once until this semester, and that is Android development. Now, 2 years ago, I began my own journey learning online iOS development. That's kind of what this channel has been a lot about, and those are the two main ways you can go about mobile app development: Android development as well as iOS development. Now, you can be like a React Native or a Xamarin developer, where those softwares allow you to write one chunk of code and it goes cross-platform to the web, to Android as well as to iOS, instead of creating something for web and then something for Android, and then something for iOS. But there aren't as many job opportunities for a Xamarin or a React Native developer as there is for an Android developer and an iOS developer. So that's something to keep in mind. And number 3, just mentioned, web development. Now, there are a few different ways you can go about this. There's front-end web development, there's back-end development, and then there's full stack development, where basically you know all the layers of web development. So you can do front-end, you can do back-end, and that's probably the way you want to go. I took a web programming course last semester where I learned the LAMP stack, which is a very back-end development heavy stack because it's like Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. But something to keep in mind with web development, which is actually why I don't like web development one bit, is that there are so many different technologies, frameworks, languages to use. For front-end development, you can do custom HTML and CSS. You can use CSS Grid. You can use Bootstrap. You can use JS. You can use Node.js. And there's so many things for front-end, and don't even get me started on back-end that you need to choose. Like I said at the beginning of this video, computer science is good because you have so many opportunities. It's also bad because you have so many opportunities, and that's kind of why I think, for me, web development would be bad, because I need to be a decisive person, and when it comes to web development, there are too many options. And now, number 4, and that would be game development. So with game development, as you may know, you have the front end of the game and then the back end of the game. So the back end will include all of the physics to say, I shot that person, that bullet needs to register hitting that person, and then all of the math that entails. It needs to take off the health, it needs to minus a bullet or two out of my magazine, and yada yada yada. For the front end, you can be a 3D graphics designer or developer, I don't know what they're called, but basically the people that make orcs in World of Warcraft, the people that make the characters in PUBG, Fortnite, Overwatch, whatever. That is essentially the user interface of a video game. But I don't know that much about video games. I know a bit about artificial intelligence, which, plays into video games, and I've made many little Python, Java, and C++ artificial intelligence programs last semester. But I'm kind of more on about, like Blizzard type games and first-person shooters, because those are a little bit more interesting than making, an in-terminal artificial intelligence game. At least it is for me. But let's go on to number 5. Cybersecurity. Now, cybersecurity can be so many different things. Let's talk about one in particular, and that is penetration testing, or pen tester for short. Basically, these people can be hired by companies, but a lot of times they will essentially have a consulting company of pen testers, where if I'm a company, I will contact this penetration tester. He will come into my company and try his best to hack his way through whatever software I have. It is that penetration tester's job to find my vulnerabilities using the software that they developed, or being script kiddies and using whatever software that they have at hand. So with that, you can go an easy route where the tools are already developed for you, or the harder route and more knowledgeable route where you create your own tools in order to try to hack into this person's software and this person's company. And then you go in, you find the vulnerabilities, and then hopefully you're smart enough to fix them. So when you see something like on iRobot or whatever, and he's typing in the terminal, that's really what's happening. He's typing in the terminal, but he's not just typing regular commands and that's how he's hacking. He's typing in commands to run a program in order to try to hack into that piece of software or company or whatever it may be. And number 6 is information technology. So now this is a giant division within itself, but the little internship that I had within like that information technology field, which actually I've had 2 different ones, so we'll discuss both. But the first being, essentially, I worked for a firm. We set up the whole entire computer system for a company. We made sure they had all of the right software. We made sure they didn't have any bloatware, and we would go install the whole entire network, Wi-Fi, computers, and whatever else needed to be installed with their network in that company. So like if it's a dentist office, we took care of all of that. And then my second internship was at Norfolk Southern, which I've actually gone back to, back and forth. And that was essentially being a systems analyst. So I would be working a lot with SQL and queries and databases and report creating software, if that's the proper term for it, where basically we would write queries using SQL, and that SQL would dig into the database, take out whatever information that we need, and formulate that into the report using the report software, and sending that report off to whoever requested it or whoever needs it. So that report will have statistics on whatever they need to know. Cash flow, transportation times, the efficiency of one terminal over another, because all of this information isn't being gathered for nothing. And in order to access it, that's the system analyst job. And then that kind of comes along with number 7, and that would be something that has to do with database. So like database administrators, or DBA for short, where essentially they are, well, the administrator of the database. If anything wrong happens with the database, they will get called at 2 a.m. to say, hey, there's something wrong. We need you to come fix it. Or maybe it'll be the database administrator who is in there calling the network analyst saying, hey, I need you to come in here and fix this, because the database administrator is generally the top dog when it comes to that work. And I apologize, I'm really not too knowledgeable within that space exactly, at least that title. I used to be, not so much anymore, but that's just something else to look into, database administration. And then number 8 is essentially all the rest. It is something that you will go into Indeed.com, type in computer science jobs, and whatever pops up, and you can try to apply to any entry level or whatever job that you can get, because I'm kind of pooped and out of ideas when it comes to career paths, because those are really the only 8 that I've actually dove into, because at one point over the past 2, 3, 4 years, I was interested in them. So as far as this video goes, and as far as you guys need to go, look into each of these, see if you want to pursue one of them, and then if you're planning on attending college, see if that college offers what you want to excel in. Because remember, the emphasis is what you want to take to the next level. Computer science degree, you build the foundation up, and then you need to focus that power into one single thing. Mobile development, web development, cybersecurity, or whatever. So it's really hard to do that when you're in the computer science program, because they make you take so many different classes alongside your emphasis. But trust me, it will still help you out a lot. So that's it for this video. If you guys made it this far in the video, be sure to show me some love, hit that like button. If you want to show me some real love, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Until next time, guys, have a good one. Peace.